Hey, hi friends, welcome back. Let's look into today's question. What is the difference between append and extend function or method in Python when we are applying these methods on a list? So it's simply comparing append and extend. The append method basically tries to add a single element. Whatever the new item that we are trying to append will get added to the list at the end as a single element. While the extend will iterate over all the items that we have to the original element. So each item will be iteratively added. So what does that actually mean is, if I create two lists here, A and B, okay, A has 5 elements, B has 2 elements. Now what I do is I want to append this B, which is a list, to A. Now A has 5 elements. When I append, B will be getting added as a single item at the end of A. So my A now gets 6 elements, and the last element is the list B. So we have all these elements, and the last element is the list. This is how append adds a single new element at the end of the list. On the other hand, when we do extend function, right? So I'm redefining the list A and B. And here we are trying to add the function here. So we're trying to bring list B into A. So in place of append, I'm running extend. Now what happens here is extend will take each item of B and iteratively it appends at the end of the list A. So now I have 5 elements. When I extend B to A, the total number of items in B will individually get added here. So that means my A will become 7 elements, seven items list. So let me run this and show you. Now if I say print A, you can see individually these items are getting added. So in the append function, B is a single element, whereas in extend function, items of B are individually getting added. So that is the main difference. If I run more operations here, what I'm doing is I'm appending A to B now. B has only 2 elements. When I append A, you can see it becomes 3 elements, but that will have A at the end as a single item. Now, if I do the same operation by extending the elements of A to B, then all individual elements of A will get appended to B. Iterates, right? So now you can see it becomes 10 elements list. So this is the primary difference between append and extend. You can say extend is basically running the append function iteratively for each item of the new list to the original list. So hope you have understood the difference. Thank you.